Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today's word is one that confuses a lot of people. Hierarchy. The correct pronunciation is hi-ra-key. Let's break it down step by step. Hi rhymes with high, a soft sound like the A in sofa. Ra, like car, but with an R at the end. Key sounds like key. Now, say it with me. Hi-ra-key. One more time. Hierarchy. Great job. So what does hierarchy mean? A hierarchy is a system where people or things are ranked at different levels. For example, in a company, the CEO is at the top of the hierarchy while interns are at the bottom. A school has a hierarchy. Teachers, principals, and students all have different roles. Even in nature, there's a hierarchy like the food chain. Fun fact, did you know that the word hierarchy comes from Greek? It originally referred to the ranking of religious leaders. Over time, it started being used for any system with different levels of power. Now the spelling tip, it's spelled hierarchy. Common mistake is spelling it as hierarchy, but remember, it starts with H-E-I-R, like higher, because it's all about ranking things at different levels. Now you know how to pronounce hierarchy and use it like a pro. Thanks for watching Say It Right. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.